define what sibling rivalry is. Also, how early can it be detected and observed in children?
Well, sibling rivalry is really when one child has difficulty expressing their emotions, where that emotion can be form of a rage through physical behavior, or it could be through emotional cues that happens in the house. It really varies about how early the rivalry can start in the home, and normally starts as early as senior infancy, which would be around 17 months. If there's a new baby born in the house, you can start seeing sibling rivalry through feeling of jealousy. So they're just hitting those emotions and they don't know where those emotions are coming from. But as they get older, it changes. It actually can be more over the toy, over how the parenting is taking place in the house, where sibling rivalry can take.